deep jungle, the distant calls, the rustling leaves, the silence that feels almost alive. Because in this silence, something moves. Not loudly, not carelessly, but with perfect control. A shadow that hunts without being seen. This is the story of the tiger, the silent killer of the jungle. Tigers are found across parts of Asia, from the dense forests of India to the cold regions of Siberia to the tropical jungles of Southeast Asia. Each environment is different, but the tiger adapts. In the frozen forests of Russia lives the Siberian tiger, larger, heavier, built to survive extreme cold. In the hot jungles of India, the Bengal tiger moves through thick vegetation, hidden, powerful, patient. In the swamps of the Sundarbans, tigers even swim through water, hunting in one of the most dangerous environments on Earth. No matter where they live, one thing remains the same. The tiger is alone. Unlike wolves, unlike lions, tigers are solitary creatures. They do not live in groups. They do not share their territory. They walk alone, hunt alone, survive alone. A tiger's territory can stretch for miles, marked by scent, scratches on trees, and silent patrols through its domain. Every step it takes is controlled, every movement calculated. Because the tiger is not just strong, it is precise. Its body is built for power, massive muscles, sharp claws, teeth designed to crush and hold. Its orange coat, covered in black stripes, is not just beautiful, it is camouflage. In the jungle light, those stripes break its shape, making it almost invisible among shadows and tall grass. This is what makes the tiger deadly. Not speed, not numbers, but stealth. A tiger does not chase its prey across long distances. It waits, it watches, it becomes part of the forest. Sometimes it can stay still for minutes, even hours, waiting for the right moment, its eyes locked on the target. A deer, a wild boar, sometimes even larger animals. The prey continues, unaware, because the tiger is silent, completely silent. Step by step, it moves closer, each paw placed carefully, avoiding dry leaves, avoiding sound. The distance closes. 50 meters, 30 meters, 20 meters. And then, in a single explosive moment, it attacks. The tiger launches forward, a burst of power and speed. Its muscles explode into action. Its claws extend. Its jaws open wide. The prey reacts, but it's too late. The tiger grabs, pulling it down with incredible force. Then, the final move. A powerful bite to the neck, ending the struggle quickly. This is how the tiger hunts. Not with long chases, but with perfect timing. And most of these hunts happen at night. The jungle at night is a different world. Dark, quiet, and full of unseen movement. But for the tiger, this is the perfect time. Its night vision is sharp, its hearing is sensitive. It can detect the smallest sound, the slightest movement, while other animals struggle to see. The tiger moves like a shadow. This is why it is called the silent killer. But even the tiger's life is not always about hunting. Much of of its time is spent alone, resting, walking through its territory, swimming in rivers, cooling its body under the heat of the sun. Tigers are excellent swimmers. They are not afraid of water. In fact, they often hunt in it, crossing rivers, moving silently through swamps, using water as another advantage. But perhaps the most powerful part of a tiger's life is something very different. It is motherhood. A female tiger raises her cubs alone, without help, without protection from others. When it is time, she finds a hidden den, a safe place, away from danger. There, she gives birth, usually 2 to 4 cubs. They are born blind, small, completely helpless. For weeks, they depend entirely on their mother. She protects them, feeds them, and keeps them hidden from the world, because danger is everywhere. Other predators, even tigers, can be a threat, so she stays alert, always watching, always ready. As the cubs grow, they begin to open their eyes. They start to move, to explore, to play. They chase each other, pounce, beat, roll in the grass. But this play is training. They are learning how to hunt, how to move, how to react, how to survive. Their mother teaches them everything. She shows them how to stalk, how to stay low, how to wait. At first, they only watch her hunt. Then, they begin to follow. Slowly, they try on their own. Many times, they fail. But each failure is a lesson. And over time, they become stronger, more skilled, more aware, until one day they are ready to leave. Young tigers eventually leave their mother's territory to find their own space, their own life, and the cycle continues. A tiger in the wild usually lives around 10 to 15 years. Some live longer, but life is never easy. Every day is a challenge. Finding food, defending territory, avoiding danger. But despite all this, the tiger remains one of the most powerful animals on Earth. Not because it is the strongest, but because it is perfect in what it does. Silent, facile, precise. But today, the tiger faces a new threat. Its forests are disappearing, its territory shrinking, human activity growing, and slowly its numbers are declining from thousands to fewer and fewer. The tiger, a symbol of strength, is now at risk. Protecting the tiger means protecting the jungle itself. Because where the tiger survives, the forest survives. So, the next time you think of the jungle, remember this. Somewhere in that silence, a tiger is walking, unseen, unheard, watching, waiting, perfectly in control. A true master of stealth, a hunter of the night, the silent killer of the jungle. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next?